Alright, so here's number 4. The altitude of an airplane is decreasing at a rate of 41 feet per second. What is the change in altitude of the airplane over a period of 27 seconds? Alright, so honestly the reason I chose this one is because I want to try to draw an airplane. So here I go. And it's flying. Is that a good looking airplane? Alright, so now that I've gotten that taken care of, we have that the airplane is going down 41 feet per second. So that means after 1 second it just went down 41 feet. And then guess what happens another second? It's going to go down another 41 feet. Oops. 41 feet. And then after another second, it's going to go down 41 feet. So this is just going to keep happening over and over again. Now I could draw this 27 times so that I can take care of 27 seconds. But that, I don't know that I have enough room here. So there's actually a shortcut that you can do. Okay, you can say that 27 times this airplane is going to go down 41 feet. You see I'm using a negative right here because the plane's going down. If he was going up, I would say I would use a positive, okay? But I'm going to multiply it because I want to do 41 feet 27 times. Or actually I want to go down 41 feet 27 times. So 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 7, 28, carry your 2. 4 times 2, 8, plus 2 is 10. 7, 8 plus 2 is 0. Or it's 10, carry your 1. 1 plus 0, 1, and then 1. Alright, I don't have any decimals here, but then keep this in mind, okay? I'm multiplying a positive and a negative. And remember, if you're multiplying and your signs are different, that means your answer is going to have a negative answer. Okay? So, and that kind of makes sense because you remember he wasn't going up. This plane wasn't going up. He was going down 41 feet. So that means that his total change is going to be going down 1,107 feet. And I see that. Answer D right here. So that is what you would mark. Alright, that's how you do this one. Alright, here's number 5. Kate is making hamburgers for her friend and has 12.5 pounds of hamburger. How many half-pound hamburgers can she make? Alright. Now there's all kinds of different ways to solve this, just like any math problem. Alright? But what I usually try to do is try to show you all like a simple way of solving these things. Maybe like that you could draw a picture and solve it. Alright. And it's not because I'm really good at drawing pictures. I'm going to change my color to red. So, she has 12.5 pounds of hamburger. Alright? And she wants to know how many half-pound hamburgers that she can make. So, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I'm going to make a little hamburger like this. And I'm going to have that equal half a pound. Okay? So I'm going to draw a little key up here. My little fake hamburger is going to equal 1/2 a pound. And I'm going to see how many of these I can do, how many of these little fake hamburgers I can draw until I equal 12.5 pounds. So if you look, I've only drawn one, so now I've only used up half a pound. If I draw another one, now that equals 1 pound. Okay. If I draw another one and another one, that means collectively, let's do this. Now I have 2 pounds. I've used up 2 pounds. You see, because that's a half, that's a half, that's a half, that's a half. So together that is 2 pounds of hamburger meat. And then do another one. And so now how many pounds do I have? 3. Because that's a half, so that's 1 pound. Half, half, that's another pound. Half and a half, that's another pound. So 3. So you kind of get the idea of what I'm doing here. Alright, so I'm just going to continue with that. So that's 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds, 5 pounds, 6 pounds, 7 pounds, 8 pounds, 9 pounds, let's come over here, 10 pounds, 11 pounds, getting close, 12 pounds, and then I'm just going to do one more. So now you can see all of that equals 12.5 pounds of hamburger meat. So how many hamburgers did I make? Let me count them up. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could probably count this faster than I'm doing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There's a total of 25 hamburgers there. So I would bubble in D. Now there is a shortcut way to do this. You didn't have to draw off these. But this is just a simple way you can think of it in case you don't know the shortcut way. The shortcut way would be to use division. And I'll do that in black ink over here to the side. So I would take 12.5 pounds and I would divide it by half a pound because I want to see how many half a pound hamburgers are in there. Now of course I need to turn that into a improper fraction. So 12 times 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25 over 2 divided by 1/2. And then you would keep it, change it, flip it. So that leaves this as 25 over 2 times 2 over 1. Solve that out and you'll get 25.